Ostriches are truly fascinating creatures, known for their unique characteristics and surprising facts that make them stand out in the avian world. These flightless birds, native to Africa, have intrigued humans for centuries. Here are some interesting facts about ostriches. Speed demons. Ostriches are the fastest running birds on the planet. They can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, and can sustain these speeds for significant distances. This incredible speed helps them evade predators in the wild. Giant eggs. Ostriches lay the largest eggs of any bird species. These enormous eggs can weigh as much as 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, and are so strong that they can support the weight of an adult human standing on them without breaking. Powerful legs. Ostriches have long, muscular legs, which are not only built for speed, but also for defense. Their strong legs are capable of delivering powerful kicks that can fend off or even kill predators, such as lions. Tiny brain, huge eyes. Despite their large size, ostriches have relatively small brains, but their eyes are among the largest of any land animal. Their eyes are about the size of billiard balls and help them spot threats from great distances. Omnivorous appetite. Ostriches are omnivores, which means they eat a varied diet that includes plants, insects, small mammals, and even small reptiles. They swallow small stones to help grind up their food in their gizzard, aiding digestion. Nocturnal nests. Ostriches are known for their communal nesting habits. Several females may lay their eggs in a single nest, and the dominant female takes charge of incubating them at night, while the males take turns during the day. These intriguing facts about ostriches demonstrate their unique adaptations and behaviors that have allowed them to thrive in their challenging African habitats. Whether it's their impressive speed, enormous eggs, or powerful legs, ostriches are a captivating example of nature's wonders.